Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to set up customer facing address, how to set it up. Now the customer facing address, that is the address that will be shown on your sales form. Also it's the address where the customers can contact you or send payments to. Let's see how we can fix that, how we can set it up. First thing to do is click on your company name from the home page, and then it will open up this part where you can manage your account and the settings on the company here. So scroll down until you see address, and you can see customer facing address. So click on the pencil icon, and now you can see my customer facing address initially was the same as the company address, but I don't want it to be the same, so I want to change to customer facing address. And like I said earlier, is the address where customers contact you or send payment, and it will be shown on your sales form. So you put in the new street address. Let's say my new street address is Queens Boulevard. Okay. Or let's say Queens Crescent. This my spelling is wrong. It's like this here. Queens Crescent City. Let's say our city is let's say Queens. Yeah, I know. It's wrong, right? I know. But this is not a real address anyway. So the state. Let's say the state is in, let's say, Lagos. Okay, and the zip code is, let's say, 12345 and then the legal address. That we're not concerned with the legal address, we're concerned with the customer facing address. And once you throw it down, you click on save, and next click on done. And it's as simple as that. That is how to set up customer facing address. Hope you find this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.